everyone. So I know we are all anxious and very impatient to burn the belly fat or fat around your waist area, and so that is what I'll be sharing with you today in this video. The secret to losing or burning down belly fat is to start and end your day with a metabolism boosting drink. A very powerful one that will cleanse your system as well, because if your system is dirty, it slows down your metabolism. So you need a very good metabolism boosting drink that is equally a cleanser or like a detoxifier to cleanse your system so it can easily detox itself, and equally metabolism boosting ingredients in that drink to help you digest the food you eat during the day so it doesn't store up causing belly fat and unnecessary weight gain. Starting and ending your day with a metabolism boosting drink like the one I'll be sharing with you today is very important. And you equally want to incorporate that with portion control and eating healthy as well. So this is the 2-in-1 drink. It is a very powerful cleansing, that is detoxifier and metabolism boosting drink to cleanse your system so it can easily metabolize. That way you digest food you eat so it doesn't store up causing belly fat, and equally stimulate your metabolism so you digest your food, preventing belly fat. The drink, you just need to start and end your day with this drink for 5 days straight and thank me later. You just need to divide the drink in 2 portions, maybe 1 glass in the morning before eating anything and 1 glass last thing before going to bed for just 5 days, and you see huge difference depending on the size of your belly fat. And do not forget to incorporate portion control and try to eat healthy as much as you can. So I'll not waste your time. I'll take you now and show you how to come up with the drink yourself at home. Equally, do not forget to like and share the video with your friends and family so we can all stay healthy. So let's get straight into it. So in order to make the very powerful 2-in-1 drink to cleanse toxins out of the system so your metabolism awakes, and equally to boost your metabolism so you digest the heaviest meals you eat, the first ingredient we'll be needing is cucumbers. So for this recipe today, we'll be using 2 cucumbers. You want to slice into sizes that you can easily blend or juice, and always make sure to wash your ingredients. So these are my clean cucumbers. Cucumbers are known, they have been known for decades to help detox the system. That is because they are 90% water based, and you need water in your system to flush out all those toxins, coupled with all the benefits cucumber has for detoxification. It helps support the system so it can detox itself. The second ingredient you'll be needing is lemon or lime. So whichever you have will be very good. Lemons and limes are equally very powerful metabolism boosters. You need to add them into this drink so that they can facilitate digestion. They help to facilitate digestion so you digest the heaviest meals you eat so it doesn't store up causing belly fat. The next ingredient you want to add into the juice is ginger. That is because ginger is a very powerful metabolism booster. It will not only boost your metabolism so you digest the food you eat during the day, it will equally help to flush toxins out of your system. And so if your system is clean, your metabolism naturally will work faster for you to digest food you eat. Yeah, so it has anti-fungi, antibacterial properties to clean all the dirt from your system. The next thing you want to add is grapefruit. So this is optional. It is if you need a good 2 glasses of the drink, you need to add in your grapefruit so you achieve more juice. So grapefruits are equally very powerful at cleansing. They are a very powerful source of antioxidant to fight free radical damage, cleanse the skin, remove toxins out of the skin, and equally help to give you a glow to your skin from the inside out. So you want to equally slice your grapefruit in sizes that you can easily blend or juice. And the secret is I never peel my fruits. Like, I don't peel them because most of the benefits are found on the peel. So I'll just juice this with the peel. I'm not peeling anything. So make sure to always wash your ingredients. These are all my clean ingredients. I just clean my ingredients because you don't want to put in dirt into your system. So if you have a blender, you can blend all and use something to squeeze, like a white cloth. But if you don't have a blender and have a juicer, you can just, like, a juicer is easy to just help you squeeze everything. But if you don't have a juicer, you can use your blender. You can add in water in your blender. This quantity you can add in 2 cups of water, since we want 2 cups. So you can add in 2 or 3 cups. So you can drink 1 cup in the morning, first thing before eating anything. 1 cup last thing after eating everything and going to bed. So what you want to achieve is 2 cups. So if you are using a blender, you add in 2 cups of water. So voila, this is the juice. You just want to mix well and drink 1 cup in the morning on an empty stomach, 1 cup last thing before going to bed, and incorporate portion control as well. And you thank me. Just 1 week of drinking this, it will flush all toxins out of your system, that way awakening your metabolism so you easily digest food, so it doesn't store up, causing belly fat, arm fat, and weight gain. So I hope somebody finds this video helpful. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.